Welcome back to the channel. So today we're just doing some testing runs. First run you're going to see is low gear, full drive. It's got the Main Street Cycle Stage 2 clutch kit. We have the secondary clutch clocked to C3. Just did some maintenance, just testing everything out, see how it goes. This is my neighbor's 650 XMR. The next pull you're going to see, low, two-wheel drive, didn't change the clutch settings. These are back-to-back. I haven't yet taken the four-wheeler off-roading with these clutch settings. So with the secondary clock to C3, it turns about 7,000 RPMs in low gear. Top speed on the machine now in high is about 37 miles an hour. The clutching is so aggressive in its current form. That's it for this episode. Go to my channel. There's a link to our Facebook page, Rider Dave's official Facebook page. Give us a follow. I post pictures and updates of videos that are coming out. Check out the Project Penny videos that are up. There's more coming. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.